Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to get My AI on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to get My AI on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app, and from over here guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see there is a message or a text icon where there are five icons over here just beside the magnifying glass icon. Guys, at the bottom of the screen, tap on that text icon and you will be over here on all of your chats, where you will be able to see your My AI on the Snapchat. Since it does not have to be downloaded separately from the Snapchat, either your Snapchat is outdated guys. So guys, if you are not getting the My AI on Snapchat, make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. To do that, go to the Play Store and search for Snapchat, and you can see guys, my Snapchat is up to date, and check yours, either it is up to date or not. If it's lacking an update, first update your Snapchat and then your My AI will be available on your Snapchat. Or if not, even if you had updated your Snapchat also but it's still not showing, then you will be required to reinstall the Snapchat app guys. To do that, uninstall your Snapchat app, and after that you will be required to reinstall it, and after reinstalling it and log into your account, and then My AI will be available on your account. And with that being said guys, this is how to add My AI on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.